Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do a tiny gift just using a small jar, some paper, the cutting of paper, some tissue paper, and the heart necklace that you made from one of the past videos. Okay, so this one can be a necklace and can be something else that I'm going to show you now. Okay, here you can see the stitch markers that I made on the past video, so I'm going to use that as a gift, so that's why they're going in here. Okay, and also you will need some scissors. Now the video for this, I'm gonna put the link there in the description, and also remember on this side of the video it's always a letter I, and you can see the past videos for the tutorial to do this crochet necklace heart. Okay, so for starting, we're gonna put this paper inside the jar. And the jar, I didn't buy it because it was some food that I had. I just cleaned it. I cleaned it. And see here, I just have this. And I put all the little stitch markers in there. And what I'm going to do with the tissue paper is I need to measure. Here's another one. I need to measure how big I want it because I want to use it right here, and see, and I don't want it to be like that big. Okay, so I will say don't use only one because you can see through. I will fold it like 3 times or 2 so that it doesn't see. I will say 3 times because the tissue paper is like so small. So I fold it 3 times, and I look how I like it. So I like it like this, and we're going to cut it here, and here on this side, and here I want to cut it in a circle so it has a better form when I tied it up. Okay, so get rid of that part, of this part too. And here. And remember, the circle doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Because you're just gonna tie it up. Okay, so this goes on the side. And here I have my jar with the little present in there. And what I want to see, I have 1, 2, 3. And I will grab the necklace or the heart that you made. This one has the bead, but you don't need to put a bead on it. Either way, you're gonna have the links on the video. Now, what I do is squish here, and as you see, I'm trying to hold the top with the yarn. In this case, it's a thread because it's more smaller. Just wants to run away. Okay. So I need to hold it tight, and what you're going to do is just going to wrap around. Kind of tricky at the beginning because the paper is just not folded. Here. So if you have another person that can hold it to you, that will be better. Okay, so here, let's pull it down. There it is. And then kind of pull it, and here it is. So that side is okay. And let me hold it here. Let me go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay. See if I pull it down so it can See, oh, there it is. And see how here it gets tight? There it is. And then on the back you can do Now the good thing is here, this one is, the necklace is part of the present. So you have it here, this is one present and you have the other presents inside. Now, depending on how do you like this part, you can leave it like this, or you can cut it a little bit. Okay, for me it looks okay. And it looks kind of pretty, it has like a skirt. See? And I know some people will love to do some drawings or something. You can do a face, or depending on what you love. Okay, hope you like this tiny tutorial. It's like a little detail. I know you have some jars at home. I use a lot of the dips for chips jars, and I also use like the jam and the pasta sauces. I use a lot of those jars too. So you just need to clean them and reuse them, and they look so pretty for a little present. Okay, hope to inspire you to do some little details and cute stuff. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button, and remember to share. Oh, and hit the bell so that next time you receive a notification of a new tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.